It's not on the camera. Mmm. That's really delicious. What a pig.
Chew it. Chew it. Chew it. Chew what you have in your mouth.
Yeah, I think she might choke again. We better finish that.
Chew what you get in your mouth. Did you eat it? Yeah, you had some in there, didn't you? You chew it. Okay, you chew what you got. You little piggy. So juicy, huh? How? Hey. Juicy lips.
Jeez.
What a mess. Keep some in there. Juicy mess.
Messy bun.
Hey. Eat, swallow that. No. Hey, no. Help.
Oops. God, what a mess. Bun. You still managed to get it on Michael's shirt even though we had the towel on it. She spewed it off the side.
Oh, she didn't choke.
You left a piece here.
Nom nom nom. That's good.
Yeah, smell that. Sniffy, sniffy.
Yeah, that was good, huh? It's juice this year.
Look at this mess. Jeez.
Alright, hang on a second. Oh my goodness, there's more here.
What a
How did that get there?
piggy
Here. How
bun.
did it get down to here? How did it get down to the bottom?
And there's juice on the couch too.